Yo, wagwan people, it's your boy Spotlight Hype with something just happened. I don't know, we got exclusive this time. It's the Dunklo mummy. I was thinking about to buy resale, but the resale is people, they're just asking like 6 bills. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, your boy got it from Nike, which is just not even cost 100 quid. Anyway, straight away to unboxing. Yeah, small Nike box. Here we go. See the purple box. You know there's something special. Flip the lid, and here we go. This glowing is just ridiculous. Look what happened. It's just glowing straight away. It's fresh from the box. With the spooky eyes in the back. And the overlayer. You can see it around the toes. And it's everywhere. You can see the overlays. And the stitching, it's inside out. So you start with the clear outer and the canvas, the whole trainer's canvas. You can see the eyes in the bag. As you can see, this extra piece is like a bandage around the mummy head. It's creative. Nike, they're creative with this stuff. They're really nice trainers. And you can see it's the toe box here. It's all over is the canvas. But if you look to the other pair, you can see the peel here connected to the stitching. So you got clear outer, the canvas all around it, and you've got the fat tongue again with the Nike tag in the center. Behind the tongue, you can see this eye. It's from, I guess it's presented the Pharaoh, the first people who starting the mummy things. It's come with the extra lace. It's just all over it. It's the canvas. There is no other material. There is one material. It's in the Nike swoosh watches. It's suede. It's not really heavy suede, but it's finished nice. And the insole, look at that. You got really graffiti insole with the zoom unit. Look what behind the zoom unit. This PL again behind the zoom unit. That's in one of them. The other one, that's both of them side to side. And look what behind this one. Look at this, eek and the beetle. What is hidden features? It's really nice. You can see the zoom unit here with the beetle and the zoom unit here with the eek. And I guess this look like they step in the beetle, so it's just like a squashes under it. What is touch? That's creative. That's why I'm not working at night. I'm never gonna come with stuff like this. That's the art. And you can see the insole, how it's beautiful, and it's graffiti is really nice. It's really spongy. It's really spongy from here, so we make it like it's really comfortable. Yep. That's it. You got the same things. The eye, what is present the furrow, it's just piece of art. And look to this spooky eyes in the back. It's just something. It's finish it. It's finish the trainer and make it really spooky. That was, I suppose, to get it in the Halloween. I'm really glad to have them in the collection, and that's, I think I cover it all from everything. That's piece of art. So you let me know if you get lucky with the exclusive, because of this one exclusive from Nike, and it's got in this Wednesday and it's been delivered Friday. So that's really amazing from Nike to get like delivered in 2 days and make my weekend. It's really nice weekend. Thank you guys for watching, and whatever you think about them, let me know. Yeah, so yeah, I see you in the comment section below. Comment and like and subscribe, and if you know anyone interested to trainers, just give him a head up for the channel. Thank you for the support, guys, for the Mandem. Peace.